13 important fitness tips you need to know. Want to know how to be a fitness person in a more practical way? Do you feel that this is what is needed to have a better quality of life? Today in this video, we will give you 13 amazing tips to be a more fit person. Watch this video till the end and adopt a healthy lifestyle. What is best for being a fitness person? First, it is necessary to demystify the term fitness. Being fit does not mean being in a standard of beauty, but providing the necessary conditions for your body to function best. By being fit, you are more willing to perform day-to-day activities, and your body works more efficiently as a whole. 13 tips on how to be a fitness person in the practice. Number 1. Learn to be disciplined. The first challenge of being a fitness person is learning discipline. You need to create and maintain a routine, and great motivation should be based on your long-term goals. That is, it is not enough to think about the reasons that lead you to be fit today. You must think about how you want to be in 5 or 10 years. The outcome depends on the decisions you make now. Number 2. Know your body. To start being a more fit person, talk to a physical educator and get an assessment to know how your body composition is at the moment. This professional can also assemble your workouts taking into account your body's limitations and short and medium-term goals. Number 3. Find a physical activity that gives you pleasure. Not all the answers are within a gym. If you don't like weight training, you can find yourself in other activities such as CrossFit, gymnastics, running, swimming or sports in general. Number 4. Have a healthy diet. Sustaining a healthy diet involves a lot of discipline, focus on the future, and, if possible, the follow-up of a nutritionist. Consulting a nutritionist is the most effective way to have a healthy diet without giving up important nutrients. This professional will prepare a food plan that considers your current routine, what you consume the most, what you want to stop consuming, and other goals. Number 5. Wear appropriate clothing. If you want to know how to be a fitness person and practice physical activities, you need to invest in suitable clothes for your training. In this sense, look for a fitness clothing brand that uses breathable, high absorption, malleable, and specific fabrics for your type of training. Number 6. Drink an average of 2 liters of water a day. Consuming the right liquids contributes to a healthy way. The recommendation is to ingest between 30 to 35 milliliters per kilogram of body weight of liquids, which on average is around 2 liters per day. Number 7. Keep an eye on food calories. Looking at the food label is a good way to control calorie consumption. A gram of carbohydrates contains 4 calories, a gram of protein contains 4 calories, and a gram of fat contains 9 calories. Number 8. Reduce the consumption of salt and sugar. Salt is the main source of sodium, a mineral that in excess in the body increases the risk of hypertension and fluid retention. Sugar consumed in excess, on the other hand, turns into the accumulation of fat, especially in the belly area. Number 9. Practice exercises that burn fat. The World Health Organization recommends practicing at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week for a person to be considered active. That is, by practicing 1 hour of exercise 3 days a week, 180 minutes, you already exceed that goal. Number 10. Know your favorite sport. People who don't like physical exercises are those who don't feel pleasure in doing them, but getting to know yourself and exploring the different ways to exercise can be the solution. Make a point of getting to know yourself and your interests, so you can find a sport that makes you happy. Number 11. Goals are important. It is impossible to follow our life in any realm without a goal. The fitness lifestyle is no different, so try to list your main goals with this new routine and don't deviate from them. Do not forget to consider diet and mental health as part of your quality of life goals. Number 12. Don't give up and be your best version. We are born accustomed to a very comfortable lifestyle when it comes to the absence of physical exercise, good nutrition, hydration, and other aspects that increase our quality of life. The transition from comfort to fitness can be quite challenging at first, but do your best not to give up. Always remember your goals and filter the positives as a motivational factor. Number 13. Eat well, drink plenty of water and get enough sleep. Excessive exercise, like any other limitless practice, can be quite harmful or useless. To achieve great results and maintain mental health, make sure you eat well, drink plenty of water, and rest enough. So, there you have it, 13 important fitness tips to get you started on your journey to a healthier and happier life. We hope you found this video helpful and that it has inspired you to make some positive changes in your lifestyle. If you're looking for more great content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and we will see you next time.